Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got a gist for you. It's somebody's birthday. Yeah. And guess whose birthday it is? It is Nollywood actor, veteran Nollywood actor, Oga Bello. Yes, Adebayo Salami, aka Oga Bello. He was celebrated in a big way, in a big firm. Yes, and you know now, his children, they all gather together to celebrate their father, you know, being a good father to them. And then they surprise him with a brand new car. Come on, see the way the man was just sweeping. Oh God. Anyway, the man was just sweeping. You know, if you could remember, in January, when their mother also celebrated when she celebrated her birthday too, they gave her a gift of a car, a brand new car, and they did also for their father. Parents, please, guys, wake up! I beg, I beg, go. Take care of your parents if you have the money, okay? And parents too, this is a message. You know, when you take care of your children, they will surely take care of you at your old age. So this is a very good one and a very nice one from Femi Adebayo. We say God bless you the more as Oga Bello marks his 70th birthday. We say many happy returns to you, sir. Long life and prosperity. You celebrate 100, 150, 200, 2,000, 5,000 years. Oh, okay. We pray that the remaining days of your years you shall not spend it in pains and in sorrow and in sickness. Many happy returns to you from us to you. We say happy birthday.